Hello. How are you, Evelyn?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
School going okay?
Yeah.
Good. Love to hear it. Z, have I met you yet? I see you're in here.
I don't think so.
Are you able to turn on your camera at all?
I'm eating lunch, but I probably could.
Okay, you don't have to right now. It's okay. Later on, we're gonna be going over some signs. So in order for me to give you any feedback on that, I will need to see you in your camera. So finish up your lunch though, that's okay.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. Oh, I was going to ask, are you guys okay with this meeting being recorded? Samuel, who wasn't able to make it, wants to watch it later.
I'm okay with it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool, Z. Thank you. Okay, Z, I see your message. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, we'll just wait. Oh, there's Ivy.
Yeah. Sorry, I just forgot to eat. My mom's out of town and I'm not good at reminding myself.
That's okay. You don't have to apologize because you were eating. I want you guys to eat. Hi, Ivy. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Waiting on just a couple more. Ivy, are you okay with this meeting being recorded so that I can send it to some of the other students that weren't able to make it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. It might even be helpful. Would you like me to just post it maybe somewhere in our classroom so that if you want to review it as well, you could go back and watch it?
That could be helpful. Yeah.
Okay. I have 2 more that registered, so I'll just give them a couple more minutes. Actually, I might turn so that you guys can see me with the blank background. Okay. Z, I hate to be picky. Can you find a spot where you are not as much like backlit so that I can see you? You're a little bit of a silhouette and I have a hard time seeing your face because of the light being behind you. Better, thank you.
Blanket fort.
I need one of those.
My dog might come and lick the camera a little, but that
It's okay, no worries. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and get started. So I guess since we have someone new that's joining us, can you guys take just like a little bit and introduce yourself? I'd like you to just say, hi, my name, and then go ahead and finger spell your name. Evelyn, can you go first?
Yeah, do you want me to say the words while signing?
No, you can just sign.
Okay.
All right, and then you guys and I'll sign with me. We're gonna sign nice to meet you. So take both your hands, slide one on top of the other. Yep, nice. 2 people are far apart. They come together to meet you. Okay. Hi, Raya. Awesome. I didn't know that you had registered, so that's perfect. Raya, we're taking a second to introduce our, oh, they left. Hi, bye. Okay, Ivy, can you go ahead and have a turn? Ready? Ivy, you don't have to do it because you introduced yourself. But Z and Evelyn with me, ready? All right, Z, how about you? Raya, are you able to turn on your camera? Maybe not yet. Okay. So today, I want to know how many of you all watched the lecture for 1.5.
I'm still catching up, so I haven't watched the lecture yet.
Okay,
I watched it yesterday.
awesome. Okay, Z's gonna be right back. Okay, how many of you have watched the vocabulary for 1.5?
I watched it.
I still haven't. I'm sorry. I'm still catching
Oh,
up.
you're okay. I just am trying to gauge where everyone's at in the week. Ivy, have you watched it?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Would it be helpful for us to review the vocabulary together? Okay.
Yeah, it would.
Hold on. I just wanted to slow this down. Let's do like maybe halftime. Okay. $13. Try that again, Z. I want to see 13. Good. So you don't need to crunch them down. They just kind of fold down and back up. Yep, 13. Beautiful. 14. 15. So 14, the thumb is put away. 14, we have 4 fingers that fold down. 15, the thumb comes out. And those same fingers fold down. Yep. Let's just practice that maybe together, just 1 to 15. Okay, ready? Oh, 5. Sorry, we don't turn yet. 5. 6, we turn. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Flick, flick. 1 finger, flick, flick. 2 fingers, flick, flick. 12. And it really is like you do flick them. So they come underneath your thumb, and then you flick them upwards, 12. So it should touch your thumb. 12. And then 13, they fold down. 14, they fold down. 15, thumb comes out and they fold down. Okay? All feel okay about those? Okay. 16, make a 6 and turn it in and out. 17, make a 7, turn it in and out. Yep. 18, turn, turn. 19, turn, turn. And then 20. If you think about it, it's like 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, right? So 20. Okay, let's go from 15 to 20. Ready? So 15. Oh, turn it around, Ivy. There we go. 15. Even the pinky goes down with all your fingers. Yep, 15. 16. Twist, twist. 17. Twist, twist. 18. 19. 20. Good. Okay. This is where it gets a little tricky, you guys, is in the 20s. Everything else is easy after this, but we'll practice a few times, okay? Okay. 21. So make an L, but turn it away from you or towards your face. Yep. And then the thumb is the one that goes out. So it's like 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. See that? 21. Okay, double letter or double numbers, you put it down and then down again to the side of it. 22. 22. And this is the same for all numbers that are like 33, 66, right? So 33, you would take a 3, 3, 44, 55. Okay, so 22 is a 2 that goes down and then your wrist moves it over to the side of it. So let's start with from 20. Ready? 20. Almost, you're on 21, Ivy. 20. And then turn 21, 22. Okay. Okay. 23. So make a 3 basically, and then you're going to go, 2, 3, 2, 3 really fast is 23. Just the middle finger moves. 23. Okay, let's start from 20 again. Again, we're doing this because it's a lot of different movements. So be patient with me because I just want you to learn it correctly. Ready? So 20. Yep. 20. 21. 22. 23. Beautiful. 24. So again, we have like 2 fingers to the 4. 24. 24. And it's weird because I know it's weird because the sign for 2 is like this, right? With 2 fingers up. But when we get in our 20s, we start signing our 2 with these 2 fingers. So it's 20, 21, 21, good. 21, 22, 23, 24. Good. Okay, so she signed 25 like that, but she's also going to say or, and I don't sign it like that either. I sign it like this, 25. So this is how most people sign 25. I don't know why she's doing it. Maybe it's a regional difference, 25. Because look, our 2 fingers, right? It's making a 2. And then when you put this back up, it makes it go to 5 again. So 25. If you just remember it's the middle finger, 25. Okay, so let's go from 20 to 25. Ready? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yep, good. Okay, 26. These get easier. What do you think 27 is? 27. Good. 28. 29. Good. Okay. And then 30. 3. And then pull it down to like a little modified 0. 30. 30. I know we're getting a finger workout today, aren't we? Okay, so Z, raise your hand. Yes, Z.
In the last ASL class I took, this is how I learned to sign no.
Correct.
Because it's halfway between an N and an O.
So what's the difference that you guys see between no and 30? What's different about no and 30? Evelyn?
No looks like it's continual taps, and 30 is also, I think, just one and more wide than no as well.
Correct. Little bit different in our hand shape, right? The 30, the thumb comes all the way out and then pulls in with the 2 fingers. For no, it's a different hand shape. It's like your U hand shape, but just tapping the thumb. So they're very similar, and you'll find that in ASL. Some of these things, it's like, they're so close, but so different. Okay. So, okay, we'll keep going. I do want to move on. So 27, 28. Make sure your pinky's up, Ivy. 29 and 30. Oh, and she went to a whole 0. That's fine too. If that's easier for you. 30, 31, 32. Remember what I said about the double letter numbers? 33. They go down and over. 33, 34, 35. Good. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yep, 40. Good. 41. See, I told you these are easier than the 20s. 42. 43. 44. Double number. Yep. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. Good. 54. Double. 55. Good. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. Good. You guys are doing great. 63. 64. 65. Oh, it's a double. What do we do? 66. All right. Great job. Hopefully that was helpful. let's keep going with this one. Turn off the sound and pause. My captions are on, and now I'm going to make sure that my playback speed is half. Okay, remember to do that when you guys are practicing at home so that it doesn't go too fast. And you can make sure that you're following along. Okay. Add. Add. So it's like you take all the numbers and you pull them together. Add. Oh, make sure, Ivy, both hands come to like a flat O. Yep, so add. Okay, make this hand shape, Ivy. Yep, so open it. And then it's gonna make like the hand shape for number. See how my thumbs are touching? Yours are on the side. I want them to come underneath your fingers. Almost underneath, like a duck. Like touch your fingers on your thumb. Okay, number, right? Remember number? Like you're pinching, like if I needed to get something out of my hair. That's literally the hand shape I want you to make, okay? Like I want it to touch the thumbs. Sorry, I'm going too far on this video. I want it to touch your thumbs, okay? Number. Now add. Take all, make a flat hand and they come together. Addition, adding up. Okay? Add. Addition. Now, in my signing space, you know, I'm turning and doing all these weird things. Really what you'll see is it like this. Add. In my signing space. Add. So one hand is on top and then it comes together. You want to think of these like little like lips. They kiss on the bottom. Okay. Make sure the hands move though, Ivy. So it's not numbers up here and moving together like this. It's taking a flat hand and then moving it down to that. Add on both the bottom and the top. Add. Add. Okay. Let's try that again. I'm just going to start the video over. We'll do it with her. Plus, right? We could say 2 plus, which means add. Okay. Oh, wait, this did not start over. My bad. Here we go. Add. Add. Plus, same side. Plus. Yep, take the numbers, put them together. Plus. Okay. Total. Look at her tongue. Watch her tongue. You have to do that. Yep. Another sign, sorry. Another way to say all together is like that too. You could take all the numbers and then you end again with those 2 little mouths. Kissing. Okay. So you take all of them all together. Do you guys remember when we learned last week how we did like change and translate? Same type of deal. Our hands kind of turn upside down. So the one that's on top is now turning on the bottom for all together. If you want to sign it like that, all together, all together. Or if that's easier for you too. And when it comes together, my lips close. Okay. Everyone feel okay moving on from that? All together. again, plus. Yep. Plus. Okay, so all those are pretty, oh wait, did I start over? My bad. I don't know what happened. Or maybe she's doing it she's doing it a second time. Okay, so remember last week, I told you about the sign for like peer and equal are pretty much the same. Equal or a peer. So an equal sign can be signed like this. So if I signed 2 plus, but she's not showing that you can also add numbers to the side, right? If we see an equation, it's taking a number here and a number here and adding it in the middle. But if an addition problem is stacked this way, then yeah, we would take like a 2 and a 2 and we would add them together this way. So it can go either way depending on what your equation looks like. Okay, so the equation, you could have a number and then a number add, or you could have a number and a number down here and they would add this way. Now she's telling me equals what, right? So she's saying that the way to sign equals is you would take the number, add, because imagine there's an imaginary bar, right? She's pointing to where that answer would go. Signing answer, which we learned last week, answer what? All right, does that kind of make sense? Okay. Good. Subtract. So you have a flat palm and you take something out of it, it's minus. Subtract. Minus, subtract are the same things. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Answer what? Oh. Okay, so she's signing the divide left, keep going. So if there's a remainder, you guys remember long division and you'll have a remainder, right? And you can't stop there if something remains. So that's what that was. So she signed divide. Yep, divide left. And I don't know if she signed, do you stop there or keep going? Hold on. So division left, keep going, because there's a remainder. Keep going. Division left, keep going. Or she's signing. Okay, this is confusing for me, but we're just gonna keep going because I feel like there's easier ways to sign this stuff. So I'll teach you the easy ways. Multiplication. So it's number K's. What? Yeah, what am I talking about? Letter K in both hands, and you make the backs of your hands brush. So it's like making like a X. You see like a multiplication sign? Multiply. Multiply. Okay. Answer what? Look at her eyebrows. Make sure when we're asking a question, our eyebrows go down. for WH. Turn our head, we lean in. Okay, we already did divide. Remember, divide, divide, divide. Yep, divide. Answer. Right by our mouth, and they go down together. Answer. If you don't turn them this way, keep them facing down. You're turning. So there you go. Answer. Answer. Good. Okay. That was a quick little review, but what else? What time is it? Okay, we have got the review done. Okay, now I was going to go over the lecture slides, so maybe we can review these. I'm not going to go way in depth like he does in the video, so I do encourage you guys to go back into your module and watch the video, because the guy that does the lecture is going to go way more in depth than I'm going to, because I kind of want to just use this as a review time, okay? So cardinal numbers are quantities or counting numbers. For example, 4 books, 2 sisters, 1 car. So we would, in ASL, for only, okay, so it wants you to learn that only the first number 1 through 5 are used where the palm orientation faces you. So you guys learned that already, right? When we were counting 1 to 5, we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My palm orientation is facing me. Once it turns to 6, the palm orientation changes. Okay. For 6 to 7 or 6 through 9, which we already learned, the palm orientation is away. So we don't sign 6 like this. We could sign 16 where it twists. And so it might start here, 16, but for number 6, we always turn it away so that the person reading our signs can see what finger we're touching. It's a little bit hard when it's turned towards our face. All right, so numbers 1 or 0 to 5. What's 0? 1. 2. 3. Ivy, careful. There you go. I know it's been ingrained in us all of our lives that this is a 3 and it's really a W. So 4, 5. Good. Okay, number 6 through 10, we're going to have our palms facing away from us. 6 is on the pinky. Good. 7, ring finger. 8, 9, 10. Good. 10, thumb. Okay. 11. Good, Evelyn. You remembered. Evelyn got it. So turn, palm. Flick, flick, flick. The index and the middle finger, flick, flick, flick. Flick it. We don't want it to move it up and down, or else that's going to get confused for a different number. It has to flick. 13. A closed 3. A closed 4. A closed 5. Good. 16. Good job. 16. Twist, twist. Okay, so this is going to tell you that there's variations. I'll go over it really quick, but you don't really need to focus on this. Some people do sign 16. They sign like 10-6, 10-7, 10, 8, 10, 9. Okay. So you might see that if you meet somebody, you might ask like, how old are you? They might say, oh, I'm 16. And you're going to say, what? I learned 16 like this. They're both correct. Some people also sign 16 like this. 16 where you rub on the pad of that finger. 16, 17, 18, 19. I don't see this very often, to be honest. Most people in my area sign 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. They just want you to be aware that some people might have a different way of signing that. Okay, 20. This is the fun one. I'm going to test you. 20. Close, Evelyn. There you go. 20. You got it. 21. Beautiful, Evelyn. 21. Yay. 22. Remember the double digit? Beautiful. 22. 23. Evelyn, you are awesome. Remembering, and so are you, Ivy. My goodness. 23. 24. It's like an L and then a 4. L4. 24. Who's trying to call me? Oh, it's on my work phone. 24. Got it. Yep. And then 25. Oh, are you saying bye, Z? I don't have the chat up. Sorry. You can turn on your voice.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Okay. We'll see you later.
Bye.
You guys sign see you later. See you later. Good job. Bye. Okay. 25. They're also saying the middle or the ring finger might come down together. I don't see it that way, but okay. We'll believe them. Okay, 26. Remember, it's like an L6. 27. 28. 29. Okay. What's 30? Yep. 30, 30, 30, 40. 50. Keep going, guys. I'm gonna see who's trying to call me. Someone from Chattanooga, Tennessee. I don't think I know anyone from there. Okay. Yep, 80 and then 90. Good. So each time is just the number and then you come bring it down to the 0. Okay. Double numbers. I already taught you this already. So we have 22 and then 33. Ivy, I'm going to chop your finger off. Do this. 33. I'm just teasing you. 33. Good job. 44. 4, 4. Yep. 5, 5. 6, 6. And then I think for me, I go down straight in front of me and then I move it outside of my body. So 66. Not towards my body, 66 away. So try again with the number 2. So put number 2, 22 would go straight down and then move away from your body, other way. Yep, so straight down this way and then, yep, there you go, 22, right? Because we finger spell away from our body. So it's just the same, like we start in the center and then we move outwards. We don't usually cross over to the other side when we're doing numbers. So if I wanted to say 22, 33, it would go out. 44, there you go. Does that feel better? 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. My wrists are feeling it a little bit. Are yours? Again, like I said, this is a lot of exercise for your fingers. Okay. We already did all that, basic math. Okay, so if I wanted to say 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay, so we would sign. So, sorry, dominant hand. 2 and 1. Add. Remember, add. Yep. Answer. What? 3. Okay. Eight minus 3. I'm going to teach you 2 ways of saying this. We could say answer what? Answer what? 5. That's equals or equals. Equals 5. Remember the palm orientation. 1 through 5. Yep, there you go. So let's try that again. Ready? 8. Start across from your body because we're going to move out this way. So, Ivy, move it like, okay, I see your hand is right here. I want you to move it more across from you. Across, like tap your other shoulder. No, with the same hand. Nope. Yeah, with that hand. There you go. It might be, is it weird because I'm like mirrored? Should I mirror my video? Would that make it easier? Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can figure out how to do that. Can I? It says blur, choose a video filter. I don't really want to filter. I just want to flip my camera. Mirror my video. Okay. Can you guys see that? Did I flip? Hold on. Did I flip? Can you tell?
No.
Okay. Do this. Touch your opposite shoulder. Okay. Whatever. We're just going to keep going. So on that side, no, I want you to touch it because I want you to start on that side. Bring it out front. Nope. Nope. Same hand. Touch your shoulder. Now bring an 8 in front of that shoulder. 8. Thank you. But face it out this way. There you go. 8 minus 3. See now my, yep, good. Equals 5. Okay. Good job, Evelyn. Yep. So watch me one more time, guys. Just watch. You don't have to do it along with me. I'll let you do it after me. Ready? Okay, now you try. Okay, pretty good. Remember, so I just wanted you to start over here because we're going to move away from our body. If you want to start more in the right in the middle, that's okay. I was just trying to get you to remember hand orientation though, Ivy. It needs to go out. I need to see what finger you're touching. So 8 minus 3. You got it. Yes. Equals 5. Nailed it. Okay. Now we have 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times, yep, times 2 equals 8. Okay, or we could say answer what for equals, right? Answer what 8. Okay, so let's try it with that. Let's try 4 times 2, answer what 8. Okay, I'm gonna turn my voice off. We'll do it together. All right, and now we have 10 divided by 2. So what's 10? Sign 10 right in front of your body. Yep, 10. Good. Okay, here's some more signs for math. How many? How many? Okay, my eyebrows, my head is tilted. I'm asking a question, right? How many? So we're holding something and we throw it in the air. How many? There was 2 ways of signing this, remember? It's so fun. Okay, this is kind of similar to multiply, so be careful. Multiply is just right in front of the body, multiply times, okay? Figure out, it's really short. They do touch, but it's really short and moves down. Figure out, figure out, figure out. Okay, you need to figure it out. Or you can use the calculator and you can figure it out that way. Okay, and then a math. Remember math? Kind of like multiply, but with M's. Math problem. Crunchy problem. Yep, problem. Math problem. Good. Okay, now I have an activity. Let's slow down a little bit and play a fun game. I'm going to see if you guys are psychics. Okay, am I still sharing my screen? I don't want to. Stop share. Okay. Okay. Okay, you guys. In my hand, I have 10. There's 10, okay? I am going to put something in between 1 to 10, and you are going to guess how many. Okay? If you think I'm just gonna hold it out like this, you can guess how many you think I have, and then we'll count them, okay? So I want you to ask in a question. We're gonna practice. I want you to ask. So you're gonna ask me, do you have, then we'll have, let's say 5? Okay, I'm asking a question, right? And I'm leaned in, my eyebrows are up. You have 5? Good. Let's try that again. Let's just try with the number 5 as the example. And then we'll count them and I will tell you yes or no. Okay? All right. Evelyn, do you want to go first or Ivy? Or Raya, if you'll turn on your camera. I know you're there, just creeping on us.
Sorry. Sorry, the first part of the meeting, I could not hear. That's why I got on and off multiple times.
That's okay.
I-
I'm just teasing you, hon.
I just felt weird just randomly turning on my camera.
Well, do you want to participate?
Sure.
Okay. Let's, so raise your hand. Who wants to go first? Okay, Evelyn was first. Count. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Almost. It's a sign for almost, like you pull out a hair because it's like you're by a hair. Almost. Almost. You were so close. Okay, Raya. I mean, you guys have a 1 in 10 chance of getting this correct, so it's okay. It's just for fun. Raya. Thank you. Six, 7, 8. Okay, good job, guys. That was just to get a little review. Okay, we have 4 more minutes. So, really quick. I don't know if you guys are on a time crunch at all. If you are and you need to leave, that's totally fine. But if you would like to stay, I'm going to go over the comprehension quiz with you guys so that we can do that together. Share. Where is that? Here. And oops. Here we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. Nope. This is all the wrong. Sorry. There it is. Okay. Is the sign for 3 correct? Raise your hand if you think yes. Raise your hand if you think no. Okay, the answer is no. Watch your hand again. What's wrong about that sign?
Palm orientation.
Palm orientation, thank you. Be careful, guys. Okay, is the sign for 11 correct? Raise your hand if you think yes. Raise your hand if you think no. Watch again. Is that the sign for 11? No, 11. It really is a flick from underneath your thumb. Turn it around. Yep, 11. 11. This just means like, come here. Come here. 11. Is this sign for 23 correct? Raise your hand if you think yes. Correct. 23. Yep. Good. Is this sign for 25 correct? Remember I told you that there's a couple ways of signing 25? This is one of them. You can sign 25 like that. So 25, L5. What we don't want to do is 25. That's not 25. 25. 25 or 25. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna slow that down. You guys can do this too. You know that you can change the speed. So change it to half speed if it goes too fast. Let's watch it again. Would anybody like to volunteer to tell me what she said? Yes, Raya.
I have 10 books. I give away, I think, 3.
Beautiful. All right. Left remain how many? So how many books did we have? Books, we had 10 books, 3 gave away. How many are left? 3, 7, or 10, 7. Good. 9. Okay, so that's how you're going to take this test. I thought that'd be helpful. So you're going to have her, she's going to ask a question in ASL. So you need to be watching for the question. I'm going to slow it down. Oh, that's a tricky one. There's a lot of new vocabulary in that. Okay, I'm going to translate it sign by sign, and then we'll put it into an English sentence. Okay. So she's saying, my ASL class, altogether 16 or 18 students. So she signed 18. Remember, we went over that she did 10, 8. So 18 instead of 18. So be careful about that. Watch again. My ASL class, altogether 18 students. What did she ask? Evelyn?
I think she asked, how many students do I have in my ASL class?
Chef's kiss. All right. So let's see what our options are. 17, right? Is that what she signed? 17? Yep. 8. 27. 18. Are all those answers? There's nothing. Okay, so none of those answers are correct. So you would select 18 signed like 8, 10. Wow, my brain is dead. 10, 8. 10, 8, 18, 18. Okay. All right. Okay, let me slow it down. Watch again. Ivy, what do you think she said?
3 plus 3 equals what?
Very close. Look again at the numbers. 3 and
6
6. Good. 3 plus 6.
equals what?
Yep, is how many? How many? Good. Beautiful. So all these answers? Nope, none are correct. What's that? What is this? 18, right? 18. So we're looking for what 3 and 6 add is how many? Good. So we're looking for 15. No. 12. No. 6. No. 9. So I would select that one. Okay. Number 8. Okay, so that time she used the different way of signing equal. 6D, 6D divided by 3 equals what? So what is 60 divided by 3? What is it, guys? You know what 60 divided by 3 is? One of you got it? What's 60 divided by 3? 20. Good, 20. So we're going to look for 20. Nope, not 10. 30? Nope, not 30. All those answers are incorrect. 20. There it is. So I would select 20. 0. Did you guys catch that? 0.05. 3. Okay. Question 9. Okay, I'm gonna slow it down. Okay, Evelyn, you want to give it a shot? What did she say?
I think she said 25 times 3.
Correct. Equals, yep, so 25, 3, multiply. Answer what? Watch again. 25, 3, multiply. answer what? Okay, let's look at the options. You guys can tell me A, B, C, or D. I'll have you. Oh, Evelyn, you have a question?
I know the answer would be 75, right? But
Correct.
I don't know what it looks like in ASL.
Okay, let's look at all the answers and then I think you'll be, so this is A. B. Oh, wow, they gave a lot of answers. Okay. Did you guys see it? 75. Yep, 75. Just so you know, are you guys curious what some of these other numbers are? Okay, so this one, 225, 200, 225. This one, she's saying none of the answers are correct. 100, 150, 150. 75, 75. What was that? Watch. This is 100, right? 100, 100, 100, 100. So it's like a straight one, and then you pull back to like an X almost. 100, 138. Good job. Or 69, 69, 69. Good. All right, next question. Okay, I'm glad we went over this because I didn't know that they were going to use minus like a negative, but they did. So instead of signing minus, she signed minus, minus. So I didn't know that they used that in this program, but minus and then plus can also be like that. Yes, Raya?
It went over that in the lecture video.
Okay, great. So I didn't see that in our lecture slide, so I didn't know that that's what they're doing. So minus or minus like a subtract. So we have 28 minus 7 equals what? Raya knows it. What is it? Evelyn got it. Ivy got it. You guys are rocking today. There it is. First answer, 21. None of the answers are correct. What's that? Turn on your voice and just tell me.
Is it 19?
19. Yep, she's signing 19 with like the 10, 9. Instead of 19 like that, she's doing 19. I used to sign it like that when I was little, but now I usually see people signing it like this, like 16, 17, 18, 19. So I like that they show you the different variations that are out there. What's that sign? You guys can just turn on your mics and tell me. What's this?
23.
23, good. And Ivy, what's that one?
22.
Aha, cold, yeah. Okay, so that's the whole comprehension quiz. I thought that that would be helpful to go over because it's not only knowing your numbers, it's pretty involved with being able to solve math equations. Okay, well, that's all I had planned for today. Thank you guys for coming. And next week we will have, it's a review week. So make sure that by next week, try to get all of 1 point, all the way to 1.5 completed so that next week we can review. Yes, Evelyn?
Is it next week is week 6, right?
Yes.
We have a video to make that week, right?
Yep.
Just clarifying. Okay.
For sure. And let me double check our meeting dates. So we have this is the wrong screen. There's the right screen. Okay, so 1.5, go to modules. Oh, actually it's in announcements. Oh, and then just so you guys know, I did add another, for some reason, 1.4 snapshot quiz only had it for allowing for one attempt. I went back and it should have 2 attempts. So if you took it and didn't score what you were hoping to score and want to take it again, it's reopened so you can have another attempt at it. Okay. Registration. Sign up for ASL Labs. Okay, so next week is review. So you have 2 opportunities to register for next week. And both sessions, we're going to be going over, we'll do some unit review work as well as going over the sentences that you'll be asked to record and submit. So if you want to have some time to get some feedback on that before turning your camera on and submitting your work, I recommend coming to either or both, okay? They're both from 3 to 4. One is on Tuesday the 8th, and then the other is Wednesday the 9th. Okay, any other questions?
I actually have a random question that's not related to anything in the class, I guess, except ASL. So before I started this class, I knew that good was this, right? Isn't this also the sign for thank you?
Such a good question.
Because I was confused with
Thank
it.
you does not touch the bottom hand. Good comes down and actually
Okay.
thanks. Good morning, right? Remember we practiced good morning,
Yeah.
good afternoon, good night. So thank you just comes straight out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you guys. I was happy to see you all, and I hopefully will see you at least once next week. We can practice. Okay. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Bye, guys. Yep. See you later. Love it. Bye.